get my hands in the dirt. This summer I didn't grow a single fruit or flower, and we have this soil at our new place that really needs amended. But there's a few projects that need to happen before that can occur. We need a fence and we need a lot of amendments. We're going to start off with a ton of wood chips, maybe actually a ton of wood chips. So I've been keeping myself busy with nesting and homemaking, and I love my new kitchen. It's pretty bitchin', a bitchin' kitchen, and it feels really good to cook in such a lovely space. It was a long wait, but super happy about it. What a strange time we've all been through. In some ways, I feel like we're much further apart because of quarantining and social distance, and in other ways, I feel like globally, we've come together through this shared experience. But man, what an experience it's been. I feel like we're all kind of trauma bonded in a sense together. Our country in particular has been sort of waging war with itself. It's been a strange civil war of sorts, very disconcerting to pay attention to and hard to stay present with. There's been lots of time for self-reflection over these past 4.5 months since I kind of checked out from YouTube, which was a little bit of a mandatory checkout. I really had awful internet reception this whole time, and I didn't have a computer or anything to create with. It feels good to be back, to be connecting with you all in this way. That's what that background noise is, by the way. My little assistant. We have so much work to do, and I'm so excited to be able to get to it when we can. There's things that we're waiting, like I mentioned before. We need the fence because there's really no use in planting anything until we have our deer fencing up, because deer like to just come almost up to our back door. So I can't plant anything that the deer will eat because no point. I have, oh geez, what do I want to say? There is a message that I really want to convey before I wrap all this up, and it's to be present in your life and to live fully every day as much as possible. To stay present even though it's challenging when it's painful. And it is very painful right now. Collectively in our country, 2020 has been very challenging for, I think, all of us in different ways. That challenge has looked different for everyone. But life can change so quickly for the better or not. And so it's important to really, truly be grateful for the things that you do have. Hold your loved ones dearly. That cliche that is important. We'll all figure it out. Thanks for everyone who's been following me on this journey, and if you're just now paying attention, welcome. I hope that it's inspiring in some ways and beautiful in others, and I'm living life with intention. I think it's important. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.